Want to know how to restart your AgentGPT and its response? Well, no worries. If you are not satisfied with this AgentGPT's response, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So this video, I have this agent that is working on, so I'm creating this study agent. But if I'm not satisfied with how it works, what I can do is I can just simply restart it all the way from the beginning. So what I can do is here I can just simply select this stop icon right here, just simply like that, and it should stop the generation. Now what I can do is here is the restart button on the blue, so it should be right beside this pause button. So you can just simply like that, and right here, as you can see, the prompt and the name should already be there by default. You can just simply select the tools and then select play again. Now it should restart, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.